you? Aria. Where are you? Aria. What are you doing in there? What are you doing? Are you getting into the potato chips again? Oh, Lordy. Huh. The tape obviously isn't working. Buddy, look it. Baby's in there eating potato chips. Aria, what are we gonna do? Okay, Aria, put down the potato chips. Good girl. Thank you. Do you want to get out? Okay. Hello. Oh. No, you can't have the potato chips though, honey. Give me the potato chips. No, you can have some oranges if you want. Okay? You can't have any potato chips either.